What's up, guys? Time to show off Kraken build number 250. This is an NH38 build done on a distressed doxa style case. Aged case that's then kind of brushed in. You got your nice brushed sides, but on the face view you've got distressing on your case. The interior solid, this bezel will turn, but only your exterior actually turns. Your interior stays stationary, and that is also distressed. The outside is still polished, kind of like your exterior out here. And then a super distressed Kraken dial that is then backside lumed in a nice little orange. Mariner style handset, black Mariner style handset. You've got slightly distressed crown, distressed solid caseback, and then this is on a 20 flared out to 22 Kraken branded leather with a black preview buckle. So you can see your sapphire glass in there. Automatic mechanical, you've got a rotor inside here you just can't see. 41-hour power reserve on it. Before you put it on, you'd want to wind it just a little bit to make sure you do not lose time throughout the day. Back the crown off the thread, it should kick out, and at that point you are in your wind setting. You'll hear it and feel it clicking. A wind is a turn away from you. I usually go back and forth. You're not winding on the backswing, but I feel like I wind quicker. 4 or 5 seconds of that before you put it on will keep time throughout the day, but if you do it for something longer, you're going to max out your 41-hour power reserve, which is what you'd want to do if you're driving or sitting for long periods of time where you're not really shaking that rotor around. When you're happy with that, you're going to pull it to the one and only click, and that is your time setting. You'll know because you have a hacking movement, so your seconds hand will stop. Okay, Google, what time is it? 6:34 p.m. When you push it over and you get it out of that time setting, you'll put it back into the wind. You'll see your hand pick back up, and then you just push down, start spinning until you get under that crown tube. There we go. And then just wind it down. Nice little fingerprint on there for you, which I don't have. Oh, I do. I think it came out pretty awesome. And if it's going to you, congrats! This is probably going to be available this Saturday on the 8 p.m. event. I showed you it is a 120 click bezel to the left. So once you click, you have to click yourself back around. If you are wanting to have that top realigned. As with every build, you're going to get matching beads. This one's going to come in a 3D printed black treasure box. 2 magnets at that point, 4 magnets, 6 magnets. Magnets are built into the side here and correspond with the magnets inside this. So when it's here, you've got 6 magnets, 4 magnets, 2 magnets. It's pretty easy to pop off at that point because all the weight is right there. But that is the 3D printed treasure box. This is going to come with watch cleaner. This is a foamer. It's good on all glass and metal, so everything here in the center, non-streaking, non-toxic, non-residue, as well as a microfiber. And you'll also get a leather conditioner pack. This is to keep this strap perfectly soft. If you ever feel that it's not, apply it on the front and back and remove any excess, and it will go back to being super pliable. A little bit will go a long way. Don't use a microfiber, use a cloth or rag or something like that. And that's it. That is the build. As I said, if it's going to you, congrats and thank you so much for the support. I hope you love it. And if you want me to build you something custom and unique, reach out and I'll see what I can do. And if you want to continue to see videos like this, like and subscribe as I put them up all the time. Thanks, guys.